Hi guys, this is your girl Beauty by Simone. Check out my hair video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I have applied the wig, but now I'm gonna go back with a little bit of my foundation before I put because you guys see I have that halo. I'm gonna apply some foundation that is my shade. Wow, look how that disappeared, but we're gonna work it in a little bit more. I have not done my baby hairs. I will be doing baby hairs on this unit. So we are just going to apply that. Wow. Okay. It's not perfect because I'm not a pro, but that looks good to me. And I've been doing my wigs for a while now. So now just gonna make sure I bring that in to the hairline. Not too much, only put a little bit, put it all in that area. So now I got a mess for my section. So I'm gonna take the Ericka J, what is this? Glueless grip holding spray. So you could use this if you weren't using the hold me down glue. So I literally take my finger and it does not spray out. It kind of, you gotta push it and just tap all this in. I don't want to do too much because it gets hard. And I think he wastes more than what, because it goes everywhere. Like, it goes everywhere. So let's put it on my key spots. And then we're gonna put the band on like Ericka J, what's her name? She say put that band on for an hour. We're gonna put that band on for an hour. Yep. We're gonna put that band on for an hour. So I'm going to, where's my band? Don't come for me for this band either. Y'all know. So we're gonna let that dry a little bit. Let it dry a little bit. Because I feel like if it's too wet when you put the band on, it gets like real crispy. So we're gonna let that dry. I don't have my blow dryer plugged up. I really don't use my blow dryer too much anymore now that I've been doing this new technique for it. But yes, so that looks so good. And then when the baby hairs come, because I like when I wear curly or wavy hair, I do like to put baby hairs. I'm sorry. And this is from a vendor that I use. It's KBL hair. I don't know if I can get the link to you, but I've been using this vendor for a long time. And since 2020, I believe. And yes, I really love their hair. That orange auburn colored wig that I wear, that is from this vendor. I'm actually going to be getting another one just like that. So we let it dry for a little bit and we gonna put this band on for an hour. I put it, you know, tight but not too tight. And I just let it marinate for an hour. Adjust it on my ears because sometimes, yes. Bands on. And we're just waiting. Be back. So it's time to take the band off. Okay. We're gonna comb those hairs out. That's why.
Mom, I actually made your hair.
You what?
I made your hair. I got the brush. What's your hair?
No.
Come on, Mom.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on. I won't hurt you.
Ouch!
Mom,
I need that.
I don't need to hurt you.
What do I just do? Nice side part. That's all I can do.
So I'm going to figure out my baby hair placement and I shall be back. Okay guys, so now I have decided on this side part and this placement. So I'm like, okay, so I've already taken this and kind of molded them down. I have flattened as much as I can with this because I am going to wear it in its curly state. So this is the placement. So now that I have that, I'm going to put the band on. I don't even do this side because, and then this is covered. You know what I'm saying? I really don't care. It is what it is. So I'm gonna put the band on. What else we gonna do? We're gonna kind of define my part a little bit with just, and I'm gonna use the shade that I used on the wig because you don't want nothing too light. I don't like that look. So lightly tap. And then you see that? So now I'm just going to lightly kind of move that in because I don't want it to be a straight line. So now we're gonna take my band again. We have everything practically in place. I kind of lift it up on that side. So
I can put the band on that side again. This is, you don't need no more. If you want to, put a little bit more of the spray on there, you can. I'm not. So now, we're going to take this out.
kind of the band. So now we have this placement. Now I'm gonna take my water and a little bit of conditioner. And I'm just gonna wet it. Wet as possible. Then I take a little bit of my, and you can, this is like for hair growth. Ooh, my hair on my thumb. But I take some of this butterfly growth oil. I just like the way it smells. I use it for my natural hair, but I do take like a dime size.
Work it through. Make sure I get the ends.
So we're just going to use a little
So, sound down. I feel like it kind of helps weigh the hair down, so it doesn't And you don't need too much of it. Let me try to get the ends.
So I'll wait for this to dry and I'll come back when I'm all done. In a couple minutes, I am going to undo this if I can. You definitely can keep it on for a lot longer than I did, but let's take some powder in like a fluffy brush like this. This is like powder that's my color, and we're just going to tap that in. Okay. Yes. Bring this more forward, because now that that's dry, it gives me a little bit more bang. Ooh, yes. I'm really liking this. I may have somewhere to be, but I may, when I come back before work, I may just put the band on and let it melt a little bit more, but I am going to be running some errands, so I'm just going to rock it like this for now. And you know, the bigger the better with curly hair. So this is the final look. I'm glad you guys stay tuned, and peace.
Maybe I